Okay guys, so I'm back again, and this time it's going to be the Christmas tour. Now some things going to have to be shown at nighttime, especially like the living room, game room and all that stuff, because that's going to be like nighttime and the front porch and all that. But I will show you, I wanted to show you in the bedroom, because when I do film the what's called Christmas tour, it'll be probably more in the evening time and my husband will already be in bed. So I figure I might as well go ahead and take this part of the Christmas tour and do the other part later in the evening. So anyway, here we go. So like I said, I went minimal on my decor, and basically what I did was I put my Christmas flowers out, like winter stuff out, and that's a Christmas bag that says comfort and joy. See if you can see it. And I put that up there, just, kind of give it a little bit of decor. And then over here, don't mind the Santa Claus gift bag. Anyway. This right here, I believe I got this set for Christmas like a while back. I honestly don't remember where I got it from or who gave it to me. But I like the colors, the burgundy, because I think it fits well with the Christmas. And then this right here is like an ornament. I'm not sure. I think my daughter made it, but I can't remember exactly. But anyway, I use it as decor. And so I just kind of put it right here. And then my Blessed Beyond Measure. This pillow's been around everywhere. It's not really Christmas decor, but I kind of incorporate it in Christmas because the Blessed Beyond Measure. Okay, so now we're going to go back into the bathroom again. And here's the Christmas decor that I did in this bathroom. And again, in the previous video, or not in the previous video, in this video or the tour, this stuff I got from my mother-in-law. So this is from my mother-in-law. This is from my mother-in-law. This is from my mother-in-law. This was, I think, gifted to me from a friend, but I just kept it in the bundle because I think it looks cuter that way. And of course, I incorporated these faux Christmas flowers. These are from Dollar Tree. And then the base, I got it from my mom's house. She wanted to get rid of it, so I asked her if I could have it. She said sure, because I'll get rid of it, so I grabbed it. But anyway, so that would be the end of the Christmas tour in the bathroom and my master bath. And then we will continue on in the living room in the evening time, or the rest of the rooms in the evening time. Okay, I will see y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm starting out here by my front porch area, and this is going to be my Christmas tour. And as you can see, I have my North Pole penguins out here. And then this year we decorated our crepe myrtle tree with the clear lights. And then we also put on some lights on the front porch area. And you can't really tell, but I do have a wreath right here. And then I have a welcome sign. It's Christmassy. And then of course we have Mr. Goober with some faux flowers and a ribbon on it. And as we go inside, I will show you the wreath that's on the front window, or the front door. Here is the wreath that I have on the front door. Okay, so I kind of put a bow right here on the bathroom door right there. And then I have another wreath, and that's a DIY wreath. Let me see if I can get a closer look to it. I DIY'd that a couple of years ago, so I wanted y'all to see that. And right down here below, I have an angel statue. And then I have two little, kind of like those little green, I don't know what you want to call them, but I'm sure y'all know what they are. And a little angel thing. And of course a poinsettia can't really see it all that well. It's kind of hidden. Let me see if I could bring it out a little bit. But poinsettia. And that is in my front entry. Okay, so I'm in my half bathroom, and hopefully it's not too echoey in here. But anyway, so this is what I did to the half bathroom. I have like a soap dispenser type of thing. It's like a Christmassy soap dispenser. And I added a green hand towel. And then we also brought in our plants that we normally have outside. So they're not technically part of the Christmas decor, but I figured I'd kind of show you our succulents. And then I added some faux flowers right here. It's kind of in the corner here. And then I had this little box. It's Christmassy with a little angel ornament. So I'll put that right there. Okay, so now we are going to be heading into the living room. Or you know what? I'm going to go into the kitchen real quick. And I don't know if I showed you guys this, but there's also like a, wreath right here. And then hanging up over here on the cross thing is a peace sign. And then I made this DIY thingy yesterday, or last night or whatever, and it's kind of like a just a basket that I put up there with some faux flowers. I thought it was cute with that bow on it. And now next we are headed towards the stove area, and I still have my Thanksgiving stuff up because, you know, we haven't had Thanksgiving. This is like the week of Thanksgiving. I'm filming this on a Tuesday. Forgot what day it is or what the date is, but anyway, it's Tuesday, the week of Thanksgiving. Anyway, I added the wreath right there. I added the stocking, and I put a oven mitt inside of it. And then this is kind of like a DIY wall decor that I kind of put right here. That's good, like gift wrapping paper or whatnot. And then up at the very top, I don't know if you can see it that well, but let me see if I can get a really good angle to it. Anyway, I added, it's like a it's like a wreath, but it goes on a mailbox type of thing. So that's one thing I added. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the living room, fireplace, mantle. It's really pretty, and I have a little sign thingy on it that says "Meet me under the mistletoe." And of course our lighted up wreath. And I kind of did something new and different this year. I put some Christmas ornaments in this container here, and I just thought it was really cute and pretty on the mantle here. And now we are going to go over here by the tree, and over here I put some ornaments and some, like, what you call champagne glasses. I thought that was really cute. And I added, you know, the holiday little sign thingy, and I believe I got that at the Dollar Tree. And then up here at the top, I have another poinsettia. I got that at the Dollar Tree. And yeah, all of these are Dollar Tree items. We got this, or no, I take that back. The poinsettia, no, yeah, that's right. The poinsettia is from the Dollar Tree. And then these are also from the Dollar Tree too. So they're really cute. Okay, next over here we have on the blue cabinet, I just have some few candles, and I got like a little piece ornament thingy, and this actually goes onto a chair, but I put it on a pillow. So anyway, and then my faux Christmas presents. Now I didn't kind of set them up because our cats that we have, they just really, oh my gosh, they've been going all over the place and running into them and stuff. And so I just went ahead and kind of stuck them up. So they're not pretty for this presentation. I kind of forgot to set them up. But anyway, I think it's fine. Anyway, as you can see, we have the Christmas tree. And then this year, we bought this garland with no lights on it. And we integrated the lights. Actually, my daughter did. She did all the work. But I think it looks really pretty. I love it. And we put the clear lights, and I was thinking about putting the colored lights on it, but unfortunately our colored lights were not working, or half of them weren't working. But anyway, I kind of like this better anyway. It kind of gives it a little contrast. Okay, so we're about to head upstairs. And as you can see, we added some bows to the handrail as well. I'm going to give you a shot of what the tree looks like from up top here. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, so now we're going to head upstairs. And the only thing upstairs is another tree, but I wanted to kind of show you what we did. Here's our other tree. I think it looks really pretty. I don't know what's going on with these lights, because sometimes, okay, so the middle section is blinking right now. And the other day, I could have sworn to you guys that the bottom tree started blinking. I don't know what's going on. It's like when you turn it off and it doesn't blink anymore. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, and then of course I put some faux Christmas presents here too. These are just empty gift bags, but I thought they would look really cute up here. And then I added some kind of a little bit bows to the curtains, as you can see. And that's what I did. So anyway, that will complete the tour. And I will also, so anyway, this will complete the tour. And anyway, just want to say happy holidays. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the things. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.